Proper maintenance is an important part of your machine's productivity and efficiency. Let's look at how to change the primary fuel filter on your CAT equipment. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures, and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Remember to always park your machine on a flat surface when performing maintenance, and make sure the engine is turned off. Today, we're working on a 299D3, but the process will be similar on your equipment. Talk to your CAT dealer or refer to your OMM for specific instructions. The filter is in the compartment in the back of the 299D3. First, disconnect the water and fuel sensor plug from the bottom of the water bowl. Insert a drain hose, open the valve, and drain the water and fuel into a suitable container. When fully drained, remove the drain hose and close the drain valve. Now, rotate the water bowl counterclockwise to separate it from the fuel filter. Turn the filter counterclockwise about 3/4 of a turn to remove it. Clean the mounting base with a lint-free cloth. Lubricate the seal with clean fuel before reassembling, but do not pre-fill it. Then, install the new fuel filter onto the mounting base. Rotate it clockwise, and you'll hear a click once it is fully seated. Then, reinstall the water bowl onto the new fuel filter. Reconnect the water and fuel sensor plug. Finally, refer to your OMM for instructions on how to prime the fuel system to fill the filter with fuel. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer, and always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.